The 2024 Seltos undergoes an exterior and interior restyling for the new model year. Reimagined grille and lighting components elevate the SUV's exterior appeal, complemented by fresh wheel designs and a rear light bar that connects the tail lamps. Inside, an updated infotainment layout boasting dual large screens takes center stage, and the conventional shift lever from the previous model appears to have been replaced with a rotary controller. The optional turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine now generates 195 horsepower, a notable increase of 20 horsepower compared to the previous year's model, and it pairs with a new 8-speed automatic transmission, replacing the previous 7-speed unit. Additionally, an X-Line model with rugged exterior styling joins the lineup, offering a distinctive aesthetic option. With its stylish appearance, spacious cabin, and enjoyable driving dynamics, the 2024 Seltos confidently earns its spot within Kia's lineup, which is already populated by vehicles sharing similar values. Positioned between the smaller Soul and the larger Sportage, the Seltos capitalizes on its slightly larger than subcompact dimensions to provide superior cargo space compared to rivals like the Hyundai Kona and Nissan Kicks. Aesthetic refinements for 2024 contribute to the Seltos' enhanced attractiveness, while the interior receives a technological upgrade in the form of improved infotainment systems. The available powertrain options consist of a pair of four-cylinder engines, including a turbocharged 195 HP engine that delivers commendable performance. Most models come equipped with all-wheel drive. Even the base Seltos offers excellent value and practicality, positioning it as one of our preferred choices among small SUVs. The Seltos' EX trim represents an excellent value proposition. While the SX model is fully loaded, the EX trim provides substantial features at a more affordable price point. It includes faux leather upholstery, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and the new dual-screen infotainment system featuring in-dash navigation. For those requiring it, all-wheel drive is available as an optional feature. Kia offers two distinct four-cylinder engine choices for the Seltos: a 2.0-liter engine generating 147 horsepower and a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine producing 195 horsepower. Our experience with the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine confirmed its more than sufficient power delivery. During our test track evaluations, the turbocharged Seltos accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds. While the base engine is coupled with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, the turbocharged variant comes with an 8-speed automatic. Except for the S and X trims, all models feature standard all-wheel drive. The Seltos provides a firm yet generally smooth ride, and its handling outperforms expectations for an SUV, exhibiting a level of engagement and composure that outshines rivals such as the Jeep Compass and Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. As soon as we get the chance to test the updated Seltos at our base, we will enrich this report with acceleration test outcomes and further driving insights. According to EPA estimates, the Seltos is poised to deliver commendable fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive models equipped with the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine are anticipated to achieve up to 34 mpg on the highway. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy assessment route, an all-wheel drive Seltos equipped with the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine managed to achieve 32 mpg. Within the Seltos, a noticeable abundance of space is provided for both passengers and cargo, exceeding that offered by the Hyundai Kona. The materials utilized throughout the cabin exude an air of refinement that harmonizes seamlessly with the quality found in the brand's exceptional Telluride SUV. The upscale SX model features standard interior ambient lighting, which can be configured to synchronize with the music, akin to the system available in the smaller Soul SUV. Our experience during the test drive of the pre-facelift model revealed the cargo area's impressive capacity, easily accommodating our suitcases, backpacks, and camera equipment. Our testing confirmed the cargo hold's capabilities, fitting 8 carry-on suitcases with the rear seats in place and a substantial 20 with the rear seats folded. The Seltos' infotainment arrangement has undergone a significant transformation for the 2024 model year. A seamless panel extending across 2/3 of the dashboard serves dual functions as both a digital gauge display and an infotainment touchscreen. This innovative configuration is offered as an optional feature, aligning with the technological offerings of other contemporary Kia models. A smaller display presenting an analog gauge cluster comes as the standard setup. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across all models, while options encompass Sirius XM satellite radio and an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. Kia provides a standard array of driver assistance technology within the Seltos, while more advanced capabilities like adaptive cruise control are available as options. For detailed insights into the Seltos' crash test outcomes, please refer to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IOHS websites. Prominent safety features encompass standard automated emergency braking featuring pedestrian and cyclist detection, standard lane departure warning accompanied by lane keeping assist. Optional adaptive cruise control incorporating a lane centering feature.